Hello everyone. Today we will learn about atomic structure and explain chemical phenomena. An atom consists of a positively charged nucleus containing protons and neutrons, and electrons moving around the nucleus. The atomic number Z equals the number of protons, which determines the identity of the chemical element.
Ions are formed when atoms lose or gain electrons. Metals tend to lose electrons to form positive ions. Nonmetals tend to gain electrons to form negative ions. Positive and negative ions attract each other to form an ionic bond, for example sodium chloride NaCl.
Redox reactions involve the transfer of electrons. A reducing agent donates electrons and gets oxidized in the reaction. An oxidizing agent accepts electrons and gets reduced in the reaction.
More active metals displace less active metals from salt solutions. Iron displaces copper from copper sulfate solution, forming iron sulfate and copper metal. The characteristic blue color of copper sulfate fades and a brown precipitate of copper metal appears.
The activity series helps predict reactions between metals. The activity series of metals, K, Na, Mg, Al, Zn, Fe, Pb, H, Cu, Ag, O. Metals before can displace metals after from their salts. Metals before hydrogen in the activity series can displace hydrogen from acid solutions.
An electrochemical cell converts chemical energy into electrical energy. At the anode, magnesium is oxidized, losing electrons to form magnesium ions. At the cathode, copper ions gain electrons and are reduced to copper metal.
Passivation is when a metal forms a protective oxide layer. Aluminum reacts with oxygen in the air to form a very stable aluminum oxide layer, protecting the metal inside. This thin but strong oxide layer is passive and provides much better corrosion resistance than bare metal.
Let's summarize the key concepts about atomic structure. An atom consists of a positively charged nucleus and negatively charged electrons moving around it. Ions are formed when atoms lose or gain electrons, becoming charged particles. Redox reactions involve the transfer of electrons between reacting substances. Metals before in the activity series can displace metals after from their salt solutions.